What are the 6 biggest issues that crop up during home inspection? Hi everyone, this is Kavita Ralhan and welcome back to Ask Housing. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं. Number 1. Tiles की hollowness, contradicting the building codes. BIS-NBC. Number 2. Drainage issues caused by slopes in the bathroom and balcony. Number 3. Plumbing issues leading to leaks and non-functional fixtures. Number 4. Pests like termites and others may lead to structural damage in the future. Number 5. Dampness, infestations और bad odor की वजह से mould infestation. Number 6. Electrical wiring, supply, earthing and other issues along with plug point damages and missing junction boxes. To know more, click on the link in the description below. And if you like the information and have any questions, like, comment and subscribe.